Hello students, today I will teach you about IELTS cue card topic. Previously, you learnt about IELTS three segments about speaking. First, basic introduction. Second, cue card. Third, questions relevant to part 1 or part 2. Now I am going to start with directly part 2. I will give you one cue card. You have to answer those questions. Describe your favorite book. Cue card question number 1. Where did you find it first? Question 2. How much time do you spend to read it? Question number 3. Did someone suggest or you buy? Question number 4. Who is your favorite author? I am giving you 3 minutes to prepare answers. Now I am giving you tips how to give answer. First, I found my favorite book, Renan Martin, at library. Yes, I found it very much useful to assist me for grammar topics like figure of speech, direct and indirect speech, tenses, types of verbs, and article and précis writing. I devote daily 60 minutes to read this book. Regarding my favorite author is Renan Martin because all grammar books are made using this book. Why do I like Renan Martin book? As it is the source of Oxford English books as well as CBSE course books. Apart from this, it is also base for any writing skill part. Now it comes to examiner part. Being an examiner, I would like to ask you one question. Which topic do you refer the most from Renan Martin? As a student, I would like to tell, generally I refer tenses. Examiner part, like I would like to ask you one question. Why do you refer tenses? I would be answerable as a student. I like to refer tenses as it is part of standard 6, 7, 8. Not only part of school studies, but it is also useful to deal with person in regular communication skills. Which next topic do you like to refer from Renan Martin? My answer as student is I would like to refer types of verbs. As an examiner, I would like to ask you why? Because as a student, I would like to answer it helps me to use it during various tenses. Sometimes it is also useful for variety of tenses as per situation. For example, if I use simple past tense, I need to refer past form of verb. Sometimes I need to speak about my future plans. It helps me to use simple form, root form of verb. Sometimes when I have completed some tasks, it helps me to use for present perfect tense. It is not only useful for such kind of tense is only, but it is also useful for variety of tenses like simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. In conclusion, I would like to say it is useful for all 9 kind of tenses, starting with simple tenses of present, future and past, perfect tense of future, perfect, present perfect and past perfect, continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. Okay, so these are my answers. Tips to make your answer more presentable. You can use that. Sometimes I do need to refer article writing and direct and indirect speech. As a teacher, it is helpful for me for 10th and 12th standard. So Renan Martin is source of all kind of English speaking, writing, and above all communication skills task. Thank you. Your speaking task is being recorded by examiner. So be careful to avoid repetition of vocabulary. Be careful to add more variety of speaking tasks. Okay, so all the best and keep watching for reference of IELTS task. Thank you.